have a special guest, my mom. So she wanted to say hi to everybody.
Hi everybody.
Hello.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone.
Yes. So she just wanted to say hi and Merry Christmas to everyone. She's actually going to be going out and she's in a hurry, so she just wanted to pop by and say hello.
You take me by surprise.
Yeah, I took her by surprise. Okay, so now let's go back to the tablescape. Hi everyone, this is Josephine from Design by Josephine and Josie, and today's video is a New Year's Eve tablescape. And this tablescape is really elegant and it's really sophisticated, and it is all about crystals, and there's lots of crystals in this beautiful tablescape. There's Waterford Crystal, there's Crystal Dark Crystals, there's also Gorham crystals. So lots of crystals. So I am going to go over all of the details of this beautiful tablescape.
A little different than all the rest. I'm quite old-fashioned, wear a hat, sometimes play chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find, these seem impossible to score. So I dream on to someday find that vintage love. I kept on looking, but everyone's such a bore. And out of a sudden, you came through the door. At the next table, your whiskey neat. The lights were dimmed as our eyes met, and you saw me. And forevermore, I like to share that vintage dream.
Okay, so now I am going to go over all of the beautiful details of this tablescape, and like I have mentioned in my other tablescape videos, this is for you to copy and for you to get inspiration. So if you're looking for ways to wow your guests for a New Year's Eve dinner party and you want to present to your guests a beautiful, elegant tablescape, you can definitely copy this beautiful tablescape if you're looking for inspiration and if you're looking for a tablescape to copy. I am going to try to link everything down below in the description box and also in my Amazon store if you are interested in items that are very similar to the items that I am using in today's tablescape. So as always, I go over all of the details of the tablescapes and share with all of you what plate sets that I'm using and where I got the tablecloth and the napkins and everything else. And of course, as you can see, this tablescape is all about crystals. And there's lots of crystals in this table, which is really beautiful to me. I really love adding crystals to tablescapes. I really feel like it brings a sense of sophistication and it really elevates a look of a tablescape. So first, let me go over the foundation, which is the tablecloth. So this is a tablecloth that my mom and I got from Amazon. And as you can see, it is just absolutely gorgeous. It really matches the design of the plates, as you can see. It looks gorgeous. It has this beautiful design on there, and I love it because it have this sophisticated pattern and is more of a silver gray tone, which is perfect for New Year's Eve. And for the charger plates, this is a charger plate that I got at Wayfair a long time ago, and Amazon happened to have the same charger plates. And for the napkin, this is a beautiful, beautiful napkin that my mom and I got from Amazon as well. And for the napkin ring, uh, my mom thought about adding a little bit of bling, and so I love this napkin ring because of the bling, and I think it goes really nice with the tablescape. And so now I am going to go over the china that I am using. Okay, so for the china, I am using a china set that is from Mikasa. Okay, and I love this set. So let me go ahead and move this over here. And I'm just going to go ahead and share all of the details, and I'm going to use this salad plate right here. And as you can see in the design itself, around the plate, it matches perfectly with the tablecloth. It looks so pretty. And as you can see, it has a really nice gray silver tone to it. And of course, in the middle here is white. And I just love it. It has this really elegant design to it. And as you can see, it is from Mikasa. And I'm going to go ahead and leave the name of this pattern if you're interested in getting this for yourself. This looks absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I really feel that it makes a tablescape look absolutely gorgeous. And it really looks sophisticated. So as you can see, this beautiful china set looks absolutely gorgeous, and it matches the tablecloth. And as you can see, it has the teacup, saucer, salad plate, and dinner plate. And it looks gorgeous. And everything just flows together. And as far as the silverware, I am using Mikasa's silverware. So this is from Mikasa. And for the glassware, so I'm using Gorham wine glass, and of course Crystal Dark Longchamp champagne glass right here. And this is also from Gorham as well. So here is this beautiful centerpiece, and I love how this centerpiece turned out. And I've decided not to do a floral arrangement like I usually do, but I did add some flowers, but not too much, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. So what I've done for this centerpiece is use this beautiful cake stand as a pedestal. And as you can see, this cake stand have some crystals hanging on there, and I think it just looks so pretty, and it gives this sense of sophistication. And I love using different items to elevate a centerpiece because it really makes the centerpiece the focal and the statement piece of a tablescape. And of course, once my guests start arriving and once they finish admiring the centerpiece, I would remove it and put a beautiful floral arrangement in the middle of the table in place of the centerpiece. But of course, this centerpiece just looks absolutely gorgeous. I love the way it looks, and it really elevates the look of this beautiful tablescape. Now, what I've done is I've added 3 candelabras, and of course I add one on each end of the table. So I add one here and I add another one here, and then of course I added this one right in the middle. And I think it looks really beautiful. I love the way that this turned out. It looks gorgeous, and I love how everything just flows together. Looks really gorgeous. Now, of course, I still wanted to add some elements of floral, but I didn't want to add too much, but I still wanted to add that. And of course, the floral also came with, the elements of floral also comes with the napkin rings, but I also wanted to add elements of floral using these flowers right here. Now, these are silk flowers, and I got those from Amazon as well. And I just think they look gorgeous. I really think that the white flowers look absolutely gorgeous on the small crystal vases, and it goes really nice with the tablescape as well. Now, I did decide to add some beautiful small crystal vases right on the cake stand with the candelabra, and I think that looks gorgeous as well. So that is it for this New Year's Eve tablescape. And as you can see, it looks absolutely gorgeous. I love the crystals elements in this beautiful tablescape. I think it really adds a look of sophistication to the tablescape. And definitely, if you're looking for inspiration for a tablescape for a New Year's Eve dinner party, you can get inspiration and copy this tablescape as well. I will be leaving some links in my Amazon store to some items that are very similar to this tablescape. So if you want to copy this tablescape, you can. And of course, this is a tablescape that is all about crystal, and if you have crystals. Use them on your tablescape. I think they look so elegant and so beautiful on a tablescape. So that is it for today's video, and definitely follow me on all my social media links. I will be linking them down below in the description box, and also my Amazon store is going to be down below in the description box as well. And you can follow me on Instagram and on Facebook, and also I do have a blog as well. And I will continue to do more videos. I know a lot of you have been enjoying the tablescape videos that I've been doing in this channel, and I'll continue to do them. So I'll do more tablescape videos, more gardening videos, more home decor videos, and more how to entertain at home videos. Bye-bye, and God bless.
A little different than all the rest. A quite old-fashioned where